Okay, day 2 of the crawl space door. I've got a good cure on my structural grout I put in there. I'll square it off and smooth it down a bit with this stone. But I'm real pleased. That was some really old cement I made this out of. I was hoping it hadn't hydrated. It's going to be just fine. Plan of the day is to get the vertical members in here, demo this, get a vertical member in, and maybe hang the door and call it a day. We'll see. Alright, yesterday's concrete job is looking good. I didn't get anything proud of the existing CMUs. So now I'm going to put some caulk down and put that bottom plate on and get to framing this in forever. Alright, here's the big finish. So I went from plywood door, dimensional lumber all around to all PVC all around. I reused the hardware, used stainless steel or nickel plated fasteners. This door, these panels are held together with stainless fasteners. So the idea to eliminate the risk of termite damage, I think, has been accomplished. The high cost of materials, probably $200 worth of materials. This is not a cheap way to do this. I don't recommend you do it this way. This is just how I did it. I think the materials were better than the workmanship. I have some gaps and whatnot. I'm going to do a little winter caulking and insulation. The back of this door is going to get a lot of insulation on it, which is going to protect piping that's all up behind here. So that's it. I hope this was as exciting for you as it was for me. Bye. Alright, we got the summary of the crawl space door replacement project. When I started, all this wood, all this termite food, 3 sides of the frame and the plywood door right here forming my crawl space door. I've replaced it with dimensional PVC wood that I fashioned into a door, 1x6 and a 1x3. Reframed it with the same dimensional PVC. New hardware. Reused the door handle. I did some concrete work inside. So here's a look at the inside work. I need two last things to go. I need a little piece of PVC right up here to help center these, hold those in place. I think they're braced well. And I'm going to do a little insulation project on the back. I need to experiment and find out what glue is going to glue expanded polystyrene to PVC. I have a guess, and that'll be my next experiment. But as it is, this little project is done. No termites are getting in the house via this bit of woodwork. Thanks for watching. Alright, I forgot to mention the all-in cost on this thing. Hardware, PVC, dimensional material, screws, stainless steel screws. I replaced the hinge up here. We're probably looking at $250. And the workmanship's probably a strong B-. So You probably wouldn't want to do that this way. I'm going to come in and do a little caulking, weatherproofing and insulating, but that's kind of a fall project. So all in, that's what she cost. Thank you for watching.